Putting solar panels on your rooftop to provide power for your own facility can offer you economic advantages. General Motors, with their 1 megawatt solar panel system in Rancho Cucamonga, California, they've done a contract where actually they're getting cost-competitive green power from the solar PV system on the rooftop. Not only is it a good rate, but solar power is basically a fixed price for power. The sun is for free. So therefore, whether it's today or 10 years from now, they'll still be paying the same price for electricity. Another reason for doing solar panels on your rooftop is the company would reduce its contribution to local and regional air pollution. Also, it reduces its contribution to global climate change by using a source of power that does not emit carbon dioxide or other forms of pollutants. If you have the biggest companies in the world putting solar panels on their rooftops, before you know it, the price of solar will be somewhere where you and I can afford it and seriously consider putting it onto our rooftops.
This is basically a panel. This is one unit, and we've got a total of 3,696 of these units on this roof. If we were theoretically to be disconnected from the grid here in Rancho Cucamonga, this array of solar panels within itself could not only supply General Motors, this facility, but it could also supply power to 50% of Rancho.
The installation we have right now, 1 megawatt at our Rancho Cucamonga facility in California, is the largest corporate design system in operation at present. And how this basically works is takes the sunlight and the wavelengths off the sunlight, excites the media that's inside the thin film technology, and generates electricity that goes through a series of processes and to the overall building electricity and uses.
Solar power is very important because it's a renewable resource, and it's important to General Motors because it helps us do our part to reduce energy use and to make sure we're doing our part for the environment. And it's also important that the economics work out right. So it has to be good for the bottom line and make sure that we really can continue to improve the economics of renewable fuels in this country. And so by GM putting in large installations of solar projects on its facilities, it continues to work the economics. So one day we can continue to have everyone using renewable power, even in their own homes.